Welcome to Daily English Talk Podcast.
Improve your English step by step.
Hi, everyone. Welcome to Daily Boost. I'm James.
And I'm Emily. Today we are talking about daily routines for a better life.
Daily routines help you be healthier, happier, and more focused.
Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. This helps us make more episodes for you.
Emily, why do you think routines are important?
Even a small habit every day can make a big difference in your life.
Exactly. Today, we'll learn about morning, daytime, and evening routines. We'll practice new phrases together.
Let's start with the morning routine. Good morning, everyone. Today we will talk about morning routines. A morning routine is what you do every morning. It is simple, but it can make your day better.
Yes, a morning routine helps your body and mind. For example, I drink a glass of water when I wake up.
That is a good habit. Drinking water is healthy. It helps your body wake up. I also stretch for 5 minutes. Stretching helps me feel awake and ready.
Let's repeat these two sentences slowly together. Drink a glass of water. Stretch for 5 minutes.
Now, let's practice with a mini example. James, I want to try drinking water after waking up.
Yes, you can say, I drink a glass of water in the morning.
Exactly. Listeners, you can repeat after me. I drink a glass of water in the morning.
Good. Now, let's practice stretching. You can say, I stretch for 5 minutes in the morning.
Repeat slowly with me. I stretch for 5 minutes in the morning.
Perfect. Small habits like this make a big difference.
Another morning habit is eating a healthy breakfast. My quick breakfast is a banana.
I like oatmeal with fruit. It is easy to make and healthy.
Let's repeat our breakfast examples. My quick breakfast is a banana. I eat oatmeal with fruit for breakfast.
Now, let's add a little more detail. You can say, in the morning, I drink water, stretch, and eat breakfast.
Yes. Repeat with me slowly. In the morning, I drink water, stretch, and eat breakfast.
Great. Let's do a mini exercise for listeners. 1. What is the first thing you do in the morning? Say it in English. 2. Can you add one healthy habit tomorrow? For example, drink water, stretch, or eat fruit.
Listeners, try to say it out loud. The first thing I do in the morning is, I want to drink water tomorrow.
Morning routines are simple. Let's review the main habits again. Drink water, stretch, eat breakfast.
Now, let's add small details for each habit. Drink water. I drink a glass of water every morning. Stretch. I stretch for 5 minutes every morning. Eat breakfast. I eat a healthy breakfast every morning.
Repeat slowly with me, listeners. I drink a glass of water every morning. I stretch for 5 minutes every morning. I eat a healthy breakfast every morning.
Remember, one small step every day is better than many big steps at once.
Yes, even one small habit like drinking water can make your morning better.
Before we finish this stage, let's do one more listening and repeating exercise together.
I drink water.
Listeners, repeat. I stretch for 5 minutes.
Listeners, repeat. I eat a healthy breakfast.
Listeners, repeat.
Great job, everyone. Keep practicing these sentences every morning. Small habits make a big difference in your day.
Next, we will talk about daytime routines. But remember to try one morning habit today.
Hello again, everyone. Now we will talk about daytime routines. Daytime routines are things you do during the day. They help you stay active, focused, and happy.
Yes. For example, I take a short walk after lunch. Walking helps me feel awake and healthy.
That is a good habit. I like drink tea or coffee in the afternoon. It helps me relax and feel more focused.
Let's repeat these two sentences slowly together. Take a short walk after lunch. Drink tea or coffee in the afternoon.
Now, let's add a mini example. Emily, I want to try taking a walk today.
Good. You can say, I take a short walk after lunch.
And you can add, I take a short walk for 10 minutes.
Exactly. Listeners, repeat after me. I take a short walk after lunch. I take a short walk for 10 minutes.
For tea or coffee, you can say, I drink tea in the afternoon, or I drink coffee in the afternoon.
Repeat slowly. I drink tea in the afternoon. I drink coffee in the afternoon.
Another good daytime habit is making a task list. A task list helps you remember important things. For example, I write, check emails, finish homework, call a friend.
Let's repeat together. Check emails. Finish homework. Call a friend.
Mini example, you can say, today I will check emails and finish my homework.
Yes. Repeat slowly. Today, I will check emails and finish my homework.
For tea or coffee, you can say, I drink tea in the afternoon, or I drink coffee in the afternoon.
Repeat slowly. I drink tea in the afternoon. I drink coffee in the afternoon.
Another good daytime habit is making a task list. A task list helps you remember important things. For example, I write, check emails, finish homework, call a friend.
Let's repeat together. Check emails. Finish homework. Call a friend.
Mini example, you can say, today I will check emails and finish my homework.
Yes. Repeat slowly. Today, I will check emails and finish my homework.
Another fun tip for daytime, listen to music while working. Music can make your work easier and your day happier.
Mini exercise for our listeners. Write one thing you can do today to feel more focused or happy.
For example, you can write, I will take a short walk. I will drink tea while reading. I will listen to music while working.
So daytime routines include take a short walk, drink tea or coffee, make a task list, listen to music.
Let's repeat all the main habits together slowly. Take a short walk. Drink tea or coffee. Make a task list. Listen to music.
Remember, small steps make a big difference in your day. Even 10 minutes of walking or listening to music can help you feel better.
Before we finish this stage, let's do one more listening and repeating exercise.
I take a short walk after lunch.
I drink tea or coffee in the afternoon.
I make a task list every day. Excellent! Keep practicing these sentences every day. Small daily habits can make your whole day better.
Next, we will talk about evening routines, but try one daytime habit today, like taking a walk or making a task list.
Now we will talk about evening routines. Evening routines help you relax and sleep well. They make your body and mind calm after a busy day.
Yes. For example, I read a book for 10 minutes before bed. Reading helps me relax and feel ready to sleep.
That is a good habit. I like to write in my journal. Writing helps me think about my day and feel calm.
Let's repeat these sentences slowly together. Read a book for 10 minutes. Write in my journal.
Mini example for listeners. You can say, tonight I will read a book before bed.
Repeat slowly. Tonight I will read a book before bed.
And for journaling, I will write in my journal for 10 minutes.
Repeat after me. I will write in my journal for 10 minutes.
Another good habit for the evening is turn off your phone before sleep. Phones can make it hard to relax and sleep well.
Mini exercise for listeners. Tonight, try one new habit, like reading, journaling, or stretching before bed.
Evening routines can be simple. Read a book. Write in a journal. Turn off your phone.
Let's add a little more detail for practice. Read a book. I read a book for 10 minutes every night. Write in a journal. I write in my journal before I sleep. Turn off your phone. I turn off my phone 30 minutes before bed.
Repeat slowly with me. I read a book for 10 minutes every night. I write in my journal before I sleep. I turn off my phone 30 minutes before bed.
And remember, it is important to find one habit you enjoy.
Yes. If you like reading, journaling, or stretching, it will be easier to do every day.
Mini listening and repeating exercise.
I read a book for 10 minutes.
I write in my journal before I sleep.
I turn off my phone before bed. Excellent. Keep practicing these sentences. Small evening habits help you relax and sleep better.
Next, we will review all routines from morning, daytime, and evening, and give extra tips to make your day even better.
Yes, but for now, try one new evening habit tonight, like reading or writing in your journal. Now we will talk about extra tips and motivation for your daily routines. Daily routines are easier if you follow some simple rules. Here are 3 important tips. Tip 1. Be consistent. This means do your habits at the same time every day. For example, if you drink water every morning at 7 a.m., try to do it every day at the same time.
Yes, being consistent helps your body and mind know what to expect. Small habits become easier when you do them at the same time.
Repeat with me, listeners. Be consistent. I do my habit at the same time every day. Tip 2. Start small. One small habit is better than many big habits. For example, instead of exercising for 1 hour, you can stretch for 5 minutes. It is easy and you will keep doing it.
Exactly. Even small habits like drinking water, walking, or reading can change your day if you do them every day.
Repeat with me. Start small. One small habit every day is better than many big habits. Tip 3. Reward yourself. After you do a habit, give yourself a small reward. For example, after my morning routine, I drink my favorite coffee. And after I take a short walk, I sometimes listen to my favorite song. Small rewards make habits fun and motivating.
Mini exercise for listeners. Think of one small reward you can give yourself after a habit. For example, eat a piece of fruit, listen to music, watch one video.
Repeat after me. I give myself a small reward after I finish my habit. And remember, it is okay to miss a day. Everyone misses a day sometimes.
Yes, don't worry. Just start again tomorrow.
Repeat slowly. It is okay to miss a day. I start again tomorrow.
Small daily steps, consistency, starting small, and giving yourself rewards make habits easier and better for your life.
Mini exercise. Say this out loud. Today, I will do one small habit and give myself a reward.
Perfect. Keep practicing these tips every day. They help you keep your routines happy and successful. Now it's time to wrap up today's episode. Let's review everything we learned about daily routines.
Yes. First, let's talk about the morning routine. Morning routines include drink water. I drink a glass of water every morning. Stretch. I stretch for 5 minutes every morning. Eat breakfast. I eat a healthy breakfast every morning.
Let's repeat together slowly, listeners. I drink a glass of water every morning. I stretch for 5 minutes every morning. I eat a healthy breakfast every morning.
Great. Now the daytime routine. Daytime routines include take a short walk. I take a short walk after lunch. Drink tea or coffee. I drink tea or coffee in the afternoon. Make a task list. I make a task list to plan my day. Listen to music. I listen to music while working.
Let's repeat again slowly. I take a short walk after lunch. I drink tea or coffee in the afternoon. I make a task list to plan my day. I listen to music while working.
Perfect. And finally, the evening routine. Evening routines include read a book. I read a book for 10 minutes before bed. Write in a journal. I write in my journal every night. Turn off your phone. I turn off my phone 30 minutes before bed.
Repeat slowly with me, listeners. I read a book for 10 minutes before bed. I write in my journal every night. I turn off my phone 30 minutes before bed.
Excellent. Don't forget the extra tips for daily routines. Be consistent. I do my habits at the same time every day. Start small. I start with one small habit at a time. Reward yourself. I give myself a small reward after finishing a habit.
Let's repeat all the tips together slowly. I do my habits at the same time every day. I start with one small habit at a time. I give myself a small reward after finishing a habit.
Now, we have a fun question for our listeners. What is the first thing you do in the morning?
Think about it. Say it out loud. Share your answer with a friend or in the comments. We would love to hear from you.
Remember, a daily routine can be simple, enjoyable, and happy. Even small habits make a big difference.
Thank you for listening today. See you next time and keep practicing your daily routines.
Thank you for listening today. See you next time, and keep practicing your daily routines.